Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're hunting in Deira City Centre again. We were there last week, I think. Yeah, we were there last week. So before I enter, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's go in. Here we are. We're on the Hot Wheels section. What is this? I think they've got the same stuff. Okay. Same error core. The Cadillac Seville. Camaro. There's a 32 Ford, Mazda. Another stolen car from last time. There we go. Cool Combi. I don't know. Here's a T-Bird Super Stock for Super Stock. That's a good one. Well, let's go in. And wait a second. No way! What? No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! It's a super! Look at the gold flake. I never thought I'd find one. I never found a super in my life. What? 1 second. There we go. Yeah, I have it with me. Yeah, don't ask me where it is. I put it on my chest. You know, like, the tag, I put it here. Hanging it. I don't know. Got an 84 Corvette. It's a good one, by the way. One of my favorites from DK's. But my actual favorite, here's a Cadillac. Cadillac Seville. We've got this is one of my favorites, the Asmore Vantage GT. It's a good one. I can't believe I still found a super. Here we have a Hummer EV. Is this an E case or an F case car? I think it's an E case. There's a mod. Hey, look, can we find a second super? No, it's not a super. It's not a super. It's a cool car though. Lotus Evija. We got a what? She's Batman. There's a lot. El Sangudu 2. I don't know, this random sweet car. Okay, try to fix the angle. We've got here's another device. It's not a super. Oh man, I'll take a super though. I never found one. Here we go. Now I did look at some of the pullback cars. I think they only had one. It's like some random Ford. Here's a Batman for the Batmobile and 2 in series oldie Batmobile. Here we go. I wonder if they've got Godzillas. I think they restocked the E case. I wonder if there's any Godzillas. Here we go. Okay, there's not so far. Here's a Civic E. It's a Honda Civic. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Here we go. There's a BM again. Wait. Here's a BM57. I opened this one last time's video. It's a good one. It's a clean one. Nothing much so far. And wait. What is a treasure hunt doing? Wait, seriously? There's a treasure hunt? That's cool. Here it is. There's a modular treasure hunt. So with my super, I can buy a modular treasure hunt. I can buy. Here's that. Ooh, this is a good one. Also the Pinfinera. It's a good one. I got it. I think here's a Camaro. I've seen this one last time. It was like someone tried to steal. Please don't do that. Don't ruin the community or Hot Wheels community. Here's a DMC DeLorean. That is clean. I've never seen that one. I think I saw this one only twice. This is the second time I've seen it. So yeah, once. And here we had a water bomber. It's pretty interesting. But dude, no way. Look at it. I can't focus. Wait. Give it a second. Yeah, look. It has a Golden Spectre Flame logo. Dude, it's so good. I can't believe it. I already have a matching main in my collection. So, yeah, should I buy the module? I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm just going to go pay real quick. So, here we have... I've had 8 years. I never thought I'd find a super. It's been 8 years since I started collecting. From those 8 years till now, I've never found a super. And I started learning about supers from last year. So this might be it. I don't know. Let's see. So real quick, made a quick stop at Carrefour now. I don't record in Carrefour. We've got a 4 bunker wild track. Record in Carrefour because they barely get anything new. Chevrolet Impala SS. Wait, here we go. But this time they did have some new stuff. So, like I said, there's no Hot Wheels or Majors or Matchbox. But there you have Mace though. I have a small little collection of Mace. So here's a Chevy Bel Air. They're like the Hot Wheels one, the sticking engine. And you go like boom, it's sticking out. Yeah, understand. There's a bunch of Bayern Munich cars. For some reason, they're with Bayern Munich cars. I don't know. I heard these two have the sticker type. So, yeah. Here's a Chevy 1500. Here we go. What else do we have? Wait a second. I think it's wait, it has adjustable suspension? What? Adjustable suspension. Dude, that sounds cool. Here's a Buick Revere. This one looks cool. This one also has adjustable suspension. That sounds cool. Man, that's so good. I like it. I think that might be it. Turn on the flashlight, check if there's anything. Ooh, what is that? I see, yeah, this is it. There's bunches. But what is that? Yeah, let me just turn off my flash. That's a cool KS Blazer. That looks cool. Here's a Buick Revere. This one also has adjustable suspension. Honestly, it sounds cool. I want I mean you're paying for like half of the price of not even half, like less, like probably like half the price of an RLC. Yeah, here we go, the Buick Revere, the Wild Track. I won't buy these. They're like as expensive to Hot Wheels. We got Chevy Impala SS. Love the working suspension. Got a Chevy Bel Air. Good casting. A Chevy 1500. And we've got the Blazer. The Blazer is good. I like the Bronco Wild Track. So we got here. Let's see if they got anything. Wait. It's the off-road. Whoops. So what do we have? Is that a Subaru? That looks nice. Let's see what else they've got. BM. A BM of some sort. There's that's a Honda. I don't know. I can take your DSR. Wait, is this a Matchbox error? I mean a Masto error. Wait, because you can see some wait. Is this a Maso error? There's a Camaro. I'm a big fan of the Camaro. Yeah, I just noticed the CF5 back. CA1. This is cool. I think that's about it for these. Wait, so is the T1 panel bus an error or is it not an error? Let's just put these back, make sure put everything back. When you're looking through Hot Wheels and you make a mess, please clean up after your mess. You don't want to leave everything dirty, trust me. There's nothing. I'm pretty happy that they finally got something new. It's been dry for a while. Here we go. So yeah, guys, that's all we have for today. We found a super. Yo, we found a super. So before I go, I want you guys like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. See you next time, everyone.